Rosemary farming, also known as Rosemary officinalis cultivation, is a profitable agricultural venture that involves growing and harvesting rosemary plants for various purposes. Rosemary is a perennial herb that belongs to the Lamiaceae family and is native to the Mediterranean region. It is widely cultivated for its aromatic leaves, which are used in culinary, medicinal, and cosmetic applications. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Here are some details about rosemary farming. 1. Climate and soil requirements. Rosemary thrives in a Mediterranean climate with mild winters and hot, dry summers. It requires full sunlight for at least 6 to 8 hours a day. The ideal temperature range for rosemary cultivation is between 20 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. It prefers well-drained, sandy or loamy soil with a pH range of 6 to 7.5. 2. Land preparation. Clear the land and remove any weeds or debris. Incorporate organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure into the soil to improve its fertility and drainage. 3. Propagation. Rosemary can be propagated through seeds, cuttings, or layering. Seeds should be sown in seed trays or pots, kept moist, and placed in a warm location until germination occurs. Cuttings can be taken from mature plants, dipped in rooting hormone, and planted in well-draining soil. Layering involves bending a low-growing branch to the ground, making a small cut, and covering it with soil until roots form. 4. Planting. Space rosemary plants around 60 to 90 centimeters, 24 to 36 inches, apart, as they can grow up to 1 to 2 meters, 3 to 6 feet, in height and width. Dig planting holes slightly larger than the root ball and plant the seedlings or cuttings at the same depth they were in their containers. Water thoroughly after planting. 5. Irrigation. Rosemary is drought-tolerant and requires minimal irrigation once established. Water the plants deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out between watering sessions. Avoid overwatering, as excessive moisture can lead to root rot. 6. Weed control. Regular weeding is necessary to prevent weed competition and maintain the health of rosemary plants. Mulching around the base of the plants can help suppress weed growth and retain soil moisture. 7. Pruning and maintenance. Prune rosemary regularly to maintain its shape and promote bushier growth. Remove any dead or damaged branches. Pinching off the tips of new growth encourages lateral branching. Avoid excessive pruning, as rosemary takes time to recover from heavy pruning. 8. Harvesting. Rosemary leaves can be harvested once the plant is well established and has sufficient foliage. Harvest in the morning when the essential oil content is at its peak. Use sharp scissors or pruning shears to cut the sprigs from the plant. Leave some foliage on the plant to ensure continued growth. 9. Uses and market. Rosemary is widely used in the culinary industry to enhance the flavor of various dishes, particularly in Mediterranean cuisine. It is also utilized in the production of essential oils, perfumes, soaps, and cosmetics. Dried rosemary is popular for teas, sachets, and potpourri. The market for rosemary products includes restaurants, herbal medicine industries, cosmetic companies, and individual consumers. 10. Potential challenges. Rosemary can be susceptible to certain pests and diseases such as powdery mildew, root rot, and spider. Conclusion. Rosemary farming offers a profitable opportunity for growers, providing versatile culinary, medicinal, and cosmetic applications, while requiring proper climate, soil conditions, and care to ensure successful cultivation and harvest. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.